Hello guys, welcome back to our channel. So in this guide, I'm going to show you how to enable AI mode in your Google Chrome web browser. First of all, you need to launch your Google Chrome web browser. Click on the three dots in the top right corner and select settings from the drop-down menu. Now from the options on the left side, click on About Chrome from the bottom of the screen. Now update your browser. And once your browser is updated, relaunch to open the Chrome. And once it reopens, press the Tab key and the Enter key on your keyboard to enable the AI mode on Google Chrome. This will activate Google AI mode. And if AI mode does not enable, it might be due to your extensions. So you can try disabling them and repeating the steps. Then after, your Google AI will appear in the right side of the screen and you can start chatting and using it. You can also click on this cross icon to close it. And this way, you can easily go ahead and enable AI mode in Google Chrome. So if you found this guide helpful, please like, share, and subscribe. Thanks for watching. We'll see you again in the next one.